Hey everybody, welcome to Mike's World. Today we're going to get rid of this old electric hedge trimmer that takes an extension cord, gets in the way. We're getting rid of that. I'm going to replace it with this. An electric hedge trimmer takes an 18-volt Makita battery, and we're going to trim some shrubs. But before we do that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment, and always hit that notification bell. But before we start trimming the hedges, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you everything that it comes with in the box. So let's get to unboxing this thing. Obviously you have the box here. It shows you this is the grass trimmer blade, hedge trimmer blade, shows lithium battery, and then it doesn't have any kind of a brand name on it. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. And first thing off the bat is you get the main tool. And it looked like it had a blade guard that just fell off of it. So let's grab that. So a little plastic blade guard. So it's already got the grass trimmer attachment on it. Pretty flimsy little cover. So it's called a Huoeren. So it did not have that name on the box. And usually that's because you get these generic versions. They come in a bunch of different names and they just put them in an unbranded box. But there's the tool. And then it looks like we have, this looks like the other part of the tool. This is the hedge trimmer part, which is the part that I'm most interested in. And then there is an instruction manual. So let's grab that out of there, and let's just throw the rest of this trash in here, and let's get this box out of the way. So here's the other tool, the hedge trimmer tool. It's got a little guard there. It's a really weak plastic guard. So, and then this looks like how it attaches. We'll have to read the instructions to see how that goes. And then this is made for a Makita battery. So I don't skimp on batteries. I use the brand name Makitas. They do sell the generics, but and then let's take the guard off. Let's see. That doesn't even look like it's. Oh. Have to be careful with it. Oh, it just pops off. So that's pretty nice. Just pops on and off. Doesn't look like it was really working correctly. I'm gonna have to look at that because I don't think that's working. Or maybe it is just moving so fast I'm not noticing it. But we'll see. This is what I'm curious and interested. So it just pops on, or it should pop on. Well. There, pops on like that. Well, that's clearly working. So, hedge trimmer part, and you know what? I'm ready to go trim some shrubs. Honestly, the little grass thing, probably won't use that ever, honestly. I have really no reason for that. You might, I don't know. But the hedge trimmer part, this is what I wanted. I wanted to go trim some shrubs, so let's go do it. All right guys, now it's time to actually use this thing. Before we get started with that, let's take a look at this. It does have the part that comes off. All I want's the hedge trimmer here. The 18-volt Makita battery does have a little safety switch right here. You have to press that in before you can hit the trigger and engage it. So without that, it is a safety. So I got this off of Amazon. There is a link in the description if you want to pick one up, or you want to look at the at this on Amazon. Pretty inexpensive. It really looks like a knockoff of the brand name Makita. So, but we're going to try it out and we're going to see if it works. So I'm going to start cutting some shrubs. Let's see how this thing does. You can see my shrubs are way overgrown. I cut them once a year. Haven't cut them this year. Going to use this. We're going to see how it does because this all needs to be trimmed. So let's see what happens. All right, so overall, pretty happy with the hedge trimmer, pretty excited about it. Don't have to pull out extension cords anymore, can go ahead and get this done. Took less than 5 minutes to trim this. Got one more bush to do and that'll be done, but highly recommend this. I think this is going to be a great tool and eliminates the dragging out extension cords. Hey, if you've liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to check out my shop on Amazon, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld, and also link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Have a great day.